Good morning, Johnny. How are you?
Hi, good afternoon from sunny England.
Now,
Yeah, I'm
I
good.
have some feedback. My feedback is apparently we're talking too much. We need to cut it all back. No more hellos, no more niceties. Needs to be all about the parts. So that was some nice feedback.
No, I suppose that's fair enough. Yeah, okay.
So here we
Well,
go.
yeah, all right.
Starting.
Yeah, yeah. We'll never fill up 5 minutes.
They don't want to hear about us. They just want to hear about the parts.
Yeah, all right. Fair enough. Fair
That
enough.
was that was from that was from my dad. So
Oh, okay. Well, I'm not quite sure what to say, but well, at least he's watching.
yeah, someone is one person. So where are
Yeah.
we today, Johnny? We're not at your desk.
No, I decided. No, I came in here and I thought I'll set up the Zoom camera, and just because I looked at it and I thought, nah, it's a bit sort of cramped, so I'll try and step back a bit. So as always here at IntroCar, always trying to improve and enhance at all times. From a low base, it was in terms of video, but yeah, fair enough.
So what have you got for us today? What are we pressing the button on?
Well, we are. This lump of a baby here, which is just landed here, and we have got a full 1,000 of these in stock now. And you know what that is, Annika?
Is it something to do with shock absorbers?
No,
It's
no.
a
It is.
arm. It's an arm.
It is an arm. It's a steering track rod. And so the this is we've actually been working on this for years. I mean, this has been 3 years in the making, and basically this is fitted to all the cars from around about 1980. I actually started fitting them in 1981, and then on all the Silver Spirits and Mulsannes and Spurs and so on, and then went all the way through, and it was everything until they went to the Honage series. So every Continental R, Turbo R, everything, all the way up to even 2003. They were still using this track rod arm, and yeah, so it's taken us a long time. I have to say that the guy who really deserves the credit for this one is our quality director Mo. He completely ran this project. You might let me see if I can show you. There's a lot because this is a safety related item. There is a lot of work goes into this to make sure it's spot on, and there are a lot of components. Mo has on his computer, he's got what's called an inspection pack, which is effectively a very large spreadsheet which lists all the quality assurance that's going through. When I last looked, it was around about, I think it was 36 individual worksheets within the spreadsheet.
Wow.
So including the drawing, the material certs for, I mean, absolutely everything. I mean, even we can even tell you what the material for that nut is, the ball pin. This steel tube is obviously critical, and all of it is batch traceable. So I'll hold this up to the camera. You
Hmm.
can see there's a batch mark just there. There's another one tucked in this forged component. You can just see it there if I hold it right, and then
Yeah.
another one in there, same. So they're all different components. You can just see that there. So all of that means that this is batch traceable. We can go all the way back and check exactly what this was made from. This individual item.
What have owners been doing for that part up till now?
Well, for a long time it was back ordered. It then came it came back online at Bentley. We're cheaper. We've got more of them than Bentley, so we've got 1,000 of them on the shelf now. So we've really gone to town on it. It's on every car. It's an MOT failure. I'm trying to remember what that's called in the States and other places, but over here you get your annual check, obviously, for your roadworthiness. And if these ball pins have worn, then you'll get play in your steering and it'll fail your test and you can't drive the car. So this is, I mean, that's your car off the road. So we don't want that. And we're around about £180 a side cheaper than Bentley, and it's at least as good as their product. I mean, we have gone absolutely to town, completely no holds barred on this. The manufacturer actually makes parts for Mercedes, so it's OEM standard.
Okay.
It's the absolute nuts, and yeah, we're really proud of that. It's taken Mo a long time, and costs a lot of money.
How
But
how many went out the door today?
well, they've only just landed, so none.
Oh,
But I mean, they literally
right.
just come through.
You went
They've just
quick.
shot out in our final appraisal, so in house. So they've literally just gone on. We haven't even. There's been no promotion. This is the first thing that anyone really knows about it. Is that it? That's it. We're done. One product.
Well,
But I
it's
suppose
a really good product.
it was quite a good one. Yeah, we've had a bit of a rash. It's been this week has been crazy. There's a lot of stuff coming through the door. So cool, but
Okay.
hard work.
Well, sorry about that. I'm sure you had more to tell us, but we're just gonna have to wait till next week.
We will. Till then.
Bye, Johnny.